Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix app crashing in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, open or close app. After open or close app, update apps. Open Play Store. Now in Play Store, scroll down, click on your profile icon, scroll down, click on manage apps and device, click on updates available, and now here you see update app. Select app that you want to update. After selecting app, click on update. After click on update, selected app will be updated from your phone, and if you want to update all app, then click on update all. After click on update all app will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset device settings, again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix app crashing in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.